Hey there, passive income seekers! Struggling to make extra money online? I get it. Most methods are either too complicated, expensive, or just plain ineffective. But today I've got something exciting for you. Introducing the Bullet Cash Method. So, what is this Bullet Cash Method? It's a step-by-step system designed to generate passive income online using free traffic. No investment, no experience, no selling, no cold messaging, and no complicated tech required. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's dive into some of the features and benefits. First off, there's no upfront cost. You don't need social media, ads, or even tech skills. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. Imagine earning a daily passive income without the usual roadblocks. You get step-by-step instructions and time-saving shortcuts, focusing on generating free traffic. And the best part, no selling, no cold messaging, and no chasing customers. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, the exact method is a bit of a secret, but it involves following a simple plan using free resources and then watching those commissions roll in. It's designed to be easy and different from other methods you've tried. What about user experience? According to the sales page, users have found it super easy to use and have seen quick results, sometimes within just days. It's marketed as a hassle-free way to earn without the usual stress. And let's talk price. It's less than a cup of coffee, folks. It's more of an opportunity than an expense, and it even comes with 3 free bonuses to help you succeed. So, who should buy it? Beginners with no online income experience, busy people with limited time, those tired of expensive methods requiring paid ads or tools, and anyone looking for a simple way to earn without chasing customers. Basically, if you've tried other online income methods and failed, this could be for you. Let's hit some frequently asked questions. Do you need experience? Nope. How much do you need to invest? Nothing. How soon can you make money? Results vary, but some see commissions within days. Will this work for you? Yes, if you follow the steps and put in some effort. To wrap it up, the Bullet Cash Method offers a beginner-friendly, low-cost way to potentially earn passive income quickly. Remember, the price is minimal, and the potential for fast results is high. Ready to get started? Check the link in the description for more information. And don't forget to check the pinned comment for a discount price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.